Achukuleke Bom bom bom, make we get down down.
So guys, that is how to try for Achukuleke Bom bom. So guys, welcome to the YouTube channel, guys. Welcome guys. My name is Teoluckzboom and I do dance tutorial and dance videos for you guys. In case you like this video, kindly subscribe to me down below. Like this video and comment what you think in the comment section. And let's just dive right into it. So guys, the first step in this challenge, the first step is you put your face to side. So you go Achukuleke Bom bom bom. So it's right leg forward, left leg forward, right leg forward, left leg forward. So let's go Achukuleke Bom bom bom. Yeah. Face your front. Just easy, guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Face your front. Hello, face. Achukuleke Bom bom bom. Once you have to see your front, next step is to do side. You reverse, you drag it up. Let's just start. 5, 6, 7, go. Achukuleke Bom bom. Go together. 1, 2, reverse, 4, draw. That's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe down below to this channel. Let's go. So it's after you do this one, let's skip this part. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So once you do the front, you go 1, 2, you reverse, go up, go down, then you open your hands, do 1, 2, 3, 4. You do 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go. Let me know the vibe will be so you guys can get clear. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Achukuleke Bom bom. Go, let's go. Achukuleke Bom bom. That's it, guys. So just open your hands and you do 1, 2, 1, 2. What you do? 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's go. 5. So we start. 5, 6, 7. Let's go. Achukuleke So the next step is you mash to the right, then you mash to the left. So it's right leg is mashing to this side, then this leg jump to this side. So it's come back. Left leg mash to this side, then right leg jump to this side. So it's so I doing it together. Let's do slowly first. Okay. That's it, guys. So let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go. So let's do faster. I think that's it. Follow me. Let's go. Faster. So guys, once you have got to the end of that step, remember guys, don't forget to follow me, guys. Also subscribe to the channel, guys. Subscribe to the channel down below. Let's go. Once you get this, 1, 2, we start. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Achukuleke bom 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 bom, baby bom bom, bom bom, baby bom bom, yeah. Achukuleke bom bom bom, baby bom bom, bom bom, yeah. Am I eating that back on that? Listen to it. Am I eating that back on that? 1, 2, and do 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Achukuleke bom 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 bom, bom 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 bom, yeah. Achukuleke bom bom, make it money, bom make it money, yeah. Go, yeah, you like it, bakada, bakada, bakada. So after I do this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Then I do this side, so you will hit your hand. This 3. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. 1, 2, 3, clap. Clap, clap, clap. So everyone has up to this extent. 5, 6, 7, go. Achukuleke bom 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 bom, bom bom, baby bom bom, yeah. Achukuleke bom bom, I think guys. So once I've done that, the next to do one leg forward, the other leg forward, touch the ground, then leg walk. You can do leg walk, guys. It's easy. It's just one leg. Basically, it's just one leg, 2 legs. You touch the ground. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. We start. 5, 6, 7, 8. Achukuleke bom bom, baby bom bom, yeah. So 1, 2, chop it down. 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. How about you do this? If I have done your leg walk, let me do 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like you're going to the side. So like this. It's more properly into the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Follow me, guys. Follow me, guys. If you have gone to this extent, thank you for watching the video to this extent. In case I find any step difficult for you guys in this step of the dance, let me know in the comment section, guys. I'll break that step down for you in a separate video. Break that step down for you in a separate video. Let's go. What you do? 1, 2, drop it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you do 1, 2. I think, guys. Do 1, 2. And do 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to your head. And let's not up to this point, guys. Up to this point. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Achukuleke bom 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 bom, bom bom, baby bom bom, yeah. Achukuleke bom bom bom, yeah. So guys, after you have done this, I do 1, 2. Then you go 1, 2, 3 to head. Once you do it, you 1 again, 2. Then you turn to the right. And you to the wall. So guys, that is dance tutorial for Achukuleke Bom bom. That's what Achukuleke Bom bom, guys. That is dance tutorial. So let's go watch it one more time. From the start, let's go, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, let's go. Achukuleke Bom bom, do bom bom, baby bom bom, do bom bom, baby bom bom, do yeah. Achukuleke Bom bom, do bom. Then bom bom, baby bom bom, So guys, that's the for Achukuleke Bom bom training on TikTok, whatever. So if you watch the video up to this extent, thank you for watching the video. Comment your name in the comment section. Time for me to give you a shout out for the video of this end. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to watch this video over here to learn more dance steps, guys. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.